because that,
I got 9.
oh, that's too hard. Too hard. We're going to do it easier way. All right. So if I have 3/4, I have to make this into a common denominator. So I make it into an 8. And this becomes 6/8, and this becomes 7/8. So if I have 6/8, that's smaller than 7/8, right? So I'm going to borrow 1. So this becomes a 2. Whatever my denominator is, I'm going to write it over here because that's the one that we borrowed. You know how 8/8 equals 1? But we already have 6/8 here. So I'm going to add these two together. And it's 6 plus 8 is 14/8. And then I do minus 7/8. So 14 minus 7 is 7/8. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. I'll do another one because it's a little tricky. So 1/4 is smaller than 3/4. So I have to borrow 1 from here. And because it's a fraction, I'm going to borrow 4/4. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to add it to what's already there, which is 1/4. So the top becomes 5/4 and the bottom becomes 3/4 or stays 3/4. Now I do 5 minus 3 is 2/4, and then 2 minus 1 is 1. And then I have to simplify this because 2 and 4 have a common number, and that is 2. So I'm going to divide this by 2, and I'm going to divide this by 2, and it becomes 1 1/2. Then this one, we have 0 up here, so I have to borrow. Since my denominator is 4, I'm going to put my 4/4 here. And then I do 4 minus 1/4 is 3/4. 2 minus 0 is 2. Then I'm going to do the same thing for this one. I have 0 here, so I have to borrow 1 from here, and it becomes 2/2. Does that make sense to you? Then I do 2 minus 1 is 1/2, and then 1 minus 1 is 1/2.